welcome back to the channel. If you think you already know everything about Toyota's legendary SUV lineup, think again. The 2027 Toyota Fortuner Legenda is here, and it might just be the boldest, smartest, and most premium Fortuner ever created. From its aggressive new styling to its upgraded technology and powerful performance, this SUV is designed to turn heads while dominating every road it touches. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive news, reviews, and exciting vehicle launches. The first thing you'll notice about the 2027 Toyota Fortuner Legenda is its commanding presence. Toyota has refined this SUV's design with a sharper front fascia, a larger grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile. The aggressive front bumper and signature Legenda styling give it a premium and sporty appearance that separates it from ordinary SUVs. New alloy wheel designs and updated LED taillights add even more sophistication, creating a vehicle that looks equally at home in the city or on rugged adventures. Moving around the vehicle, the proportions remain muscular and confident. Strong character lines flow across the body, emphasizing its rugged DNA while maintaining a modern and upscale look. Toyota has clearly focused on making the Fortuner Legenda stand out in an increasingly competitive SUV market. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more luxurious than ever before. High-quality materials cover the dashboard seats and door panels, creating a premium atmosphere from the moment you enter. The redesigned interior offers improved comfort for both drivers and passengers, with spacious seating across all rows. The centerpiece of the cabin is a larger infotainment display featuring Toyota's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while a premium sound system delivers impressive audio quality. Additional features such as wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, ambient lighting, and advanced climate control help elevate the overall experience. Safety remains one of Toyota's strongest advantages, and the 2027 Fortuner Legenda continues that tradition. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to provide confidence, whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring remote destinations. Under the hood, the Fortuner Legenda is expected to offer an updated powertrain lineup focused on both performance and efficiency, depending on the market. Buyers may have access to advanced diesel engines, refined gasoline options, and potentially a hybrid assisted setup. Power delivery is smoother, acceleration feels more responsive, and overall fuel efficiency has been improved compared to previous generations. Off-road capability remains a key strength. Built on Toyota's proven platform, the SUV continues to offer excellent ground clearance, selectable drive modes, and advanced traction management systems, whether you're driving through mud, sand, gravel, or rough mountain trails. The Fortuner Legenda is engineered to handle challenging conditions with confidence. On paved roads, the updated suspension system provides a more comfortable ride while maintaining the toughness that Fortuner owners expect. Steering feels more precise, highway stability has improved, and cabin insulation helps reduce road noise, making long-distance journeys more enjoyable. As for pricing, Toyota has not officially confirmed all market-specific figures, but industry expectations suggest that the 2027 Toyota Fortuner Legenda will be positioned as a premium SUV offering strong value for its segment. Buyers can expect pricing to reflect the upgraded technology, enhanced comfort, improved safety features, and refined performance. The 2027 Toyota Fortuner Legenda successfully combines rugged capability, modern luxury, advanced technology, and dependable performance into one impressive package. It's an SUV built for families, adventurers, and anyone looking for a vehicle that can confidently tackle both urban streets and off-road challenges. If Toyota delivers on all these expectations, the new Fortuner Legenda could become one of the most desirable SUVs in its class. What do you think about the 2027 Toyota Fortuner Legenda? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!